me, Jacqueline.
Me, Janice.
Welcome to our video today. We have our Christmas present, so let's unbox it and see what we got. These are our presents. My one is purple color.
Mine is pink color, and this is from our daddy.
This is from our dad.
But
It has to be something really nice. These tapes are thick. And I like this bag. Oh, look, guys, there's something in the bag.
it's something unknown. I wonder what it is. I think it's a Blackpink phone.
Oh, so cute.
It's like a boombox. Oh, headphones.
Look, guys.
She got headphones.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Okay, so I don't
I
have
knew that it's like can wear one and got color. Is this something for our ears or something?
It's headphones. Do I have a pink one or a purple one? I think I have a pink one because it looks like this. My sister one has a blue.
Yeah, I think so. Let's take it over.
Okay.
Carefully.
Okay, I have a sticker about.
Look at that.
Pull it out. It's pink. Yes. They fit me. Let me try them on.
Okay.
Medium.
Yeah, it's so cute.
They say they can like put lights like these. They have lights. So I don't know how it goes.
Something is hurt in my hand. It's like so when you have this, you have to be very careful, or you'll end up like me.
And the both sides.
Okay, so we got this tiny little bag. Let's open it and see. We have some wires. Let's try them on. Put my Christmas one.